Replacing the hot water tank should be done when either the heating element or the tank itself is damaged and is not working properly. Ensure the water inside the tank has been drained before removal. Unplug the brewer from the power source. Disconnect the brewer from the water supply. Remove the drip tray and then remove the 2 screws located behind the drip tray. Lower the backsplash panel by pulling down until it snaps out of place and then pull the top section out to completely remove the panel. Remove the brew chamber and brew cup. Remove the 2 screws that secure the cup support arm. Locate and disconnect the red and black wire at the black 2-pin connector. Detach the 2 silicone tubes located behind the cup support arm. Follow the tubes to the nearest T-fitting and clip the zip ties before pulling them off. Set the cup support arm aside. Disconnect the black snap clamp that holds the thermistor in position. Cut the zip tie holding the connected wires together before removing the thermistor. Disconnect the blue wire that is connected to one side of the limit thermostat. Disconnect the white wire at the bottom of the control board that goes to one side of the tank heater. Remove the 2 screws from the tank holding bracket and pull the tank assembly away from the bracket. Remove the black snap clamps on the inlet and outlet hose that are connected to the tank and pull them off. The hot water tank can now be removed from the trifecta. The reassembly of the hot water tank is the opposite of disassembly.